Hey guys, got this coffee maker at Walmart. Mr. Coffee 12 cup switch coffee maker. Easy and on off switch with power indicator. Remind you to shut it off. Grab a cup without pause when you need a cup before brewing is finished. Easy to view water window. See the exact water level as you fill for no overflows. Lift and clean filter basket for fast and easy cleanup. So we shall see how this works. Walmart's a hit and miss. Some things you get good and some things you gotta take back. So 12 cup baby easy on off switch with power indicator. Grab a cup auto pause. Yeah, buddy, we shall see. I'll keep you updated. Happy Sunday, y'all. Peace.